The Spratly Islands lie hundreds of kilometers from Vietnam's mainland. For officers and soldiers of Naval Region 4 Command, regular voyages to the islands has become a sacred and deeply proud duty. Through responsibility and resolve, these sailors from living bridges linking the Spratlys with the mainland. And as date approaches, each voyage becomes even more meaningful, carrying spring across the waves to the remote islands.
Captain Nguyễn Như Duy has spent more than 10 years working on voyages to the Spratlys. This year's pre-Tết voyage marks the first time he's been assigned as a sea captain. Year-end seas are always unpredictable. Strong northeast monsoon winds and waves of 3 to 4 meters are common, adding to the challenge for the young captain and his comrades.
I do feel pressure and some anxiety, but I'm determined to turn that pressure into motivation, to complete the mission and ensure the ship reaches its destination safely.
Sailing in bad weather requires absolute concentration. The helmsman must angle the ship correctly against wind and waves to ensure safety.
Bringing Tết to the Spratlys is a special, meaningful and proud mission for every officer and soldier of Naval Region 4. Once the mission is assigned, there is no room for hesitation.
Despite difficulties, all officers and soldiers are united and determined to complete this mission to bring an early spring to soldiers and civilians on the island.
While food can be preserved in cold storage, perhaps the greatest challenge is keeping peach blossoms and kumquat trees fresh throughout the long journey. This delicate task requires care procedures and the hard-earned seafaring experience of naval personnel.
We secure the trees with ropes and tarpaulins to prevent impact and salt exposure. Every day we water and provide nutrients so they remain fresh when they reach the islands.
Every peach blossom and kumquat plant reaching the Spratlys carries with it effort, devotion, and the affection of the mainland. For sailors crossing the open sea, time spent at sea often outweighs time with their families. It is these sacrifices that form enduring bridges linking the Spratlys with the mainland and carrying spring across the waves to the distant islands.